What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing an honest review on this Mushroom Nightlight found on Amazon. And we actually purchased these from Amazon and sell them at our local antique booth that we have. And it does really well because it really catches the eye when it's turned on. It's really bright and just beautiful. And so each one comes uniquely made, so it's going to be a different layout every time of just these different materials put together to make a little scene with these mushrooms. It has a glass top that just slides over the top, and you just turn it on from underneath. So underneath here you can see that there's a switch, there's a battery pack that goes in, and this is how it looks lit up with the lights on. And I'll do a couple shots of it in the dark just so you guys can see how it truly glows at night. Each of these can be used in any room of your house as decoration and look really good. The size is about 6 inches by 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. It's a great gift for somebody who loves mushrooms and likes mushroom themed decor. Each nightlight is handmade, and the size may be slightly different, and the color may also look slightly different. It's really well put together, and you don't see any of like the adhesive or glue in here, and it just looks really nice. Each arrangement that we've gotten is really unique and just really cool looking, and it just kind of gives that dream effect, and it's popular with people who like mushrooms. And so yep, we're pretty satisfied with it. And if you guys purchase it, I hope you guys enjoy it as well. That concludes this review.